Here's what you can do in order to try to fix mobile data network problems on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So the first thing that we can do is open settings, and here if we go to connections, the first thing that you can do is check if the airplane mode is disabled, because obviously it impacts mobile data. Sometimes we might oversee this, and turns out sometimes airplane mode is enabled and therefore there is no mobile data available. If it's off and you still have issues with mobile data network, what you can do now is go to SIM manager. You want to make sure that your SIM card is enabled, or eSIM if you use eSIM instead. Just make sure that it is enabled, that everything is paid, and it is still running. If that is the case, you can tap over here where you have mobile data, and you want to make sure that the correct SIM is selected over here. If it's off, then of course you will have no mobile data at all, and this might be the issue. Therefore, make sure that something is enabled here. Furthermore, you can also go to the quick settings, and here you also have this mobile data button, which is a shortcut for this option here, but I'm not sure if we can actually switch. Yeah, I don't think we can switch here to different SIM. So in general, probably you want to go here to make sure that it is set. And if that doesn't help, if mobile data is enabled in this place and everything is set up correctly, then you can also reset mobile network settings. And to do so, we need to go back to settings, scroll all the way down, and we need to go to general management. Then over here, go to reset. And then here you should be able to find reset mobile network settings. You can go over here, select your SIM if you have more than one, and then you can press reset settings at the bottom. After that, go back to these settings as we went through before. So we want to go back to connections, SIM manager, make sure that SIM card is enabled, and make sure that mobile data is enabled over here for the correct SIM. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!